Hey guys, today we're going to be looking at the JMS PedalMAX drive-by-wire throttle enhancement device for all 2008 and newer Challengers. This is going to be a good option for people looking to improve throttle response in their drive-by-wire Challenger without having to go with a tuner or a custom tune. This is a very quick and easy way to improve drivability and throttle response. It costs about $300 and it is easy to install. I'll call it a 2 out of 3 wrenches in the difficulty meter. This device does not add any horsepower or torque. It doesn't get involved with the tune on the vehicle either. Basically, what it does is it helps with the signal from the pedal to the computer to the throttle body. So with electronic throttle control technology or a drive-by-wire setup, there's a lag between the time that you hit the pedal and when the throttle body actually opens. This isn't something that you can change by driving differently, it's just there and that's how these cars work. The drive-by-wire system that these cars have monitors the position of the gas pedal to control the throttle electronically. That means that the signal from the pedal has to be sent to the ECU, which then sends a signal to the actuator that controls the throttle body, and that's the delay that you guys feel. So with that being said, the throttle body is still going to open at the same rate no matter how you drive. The JMS eliminates that delay and gives you a crisp throttle response. Of course, this isn't going to add any power or change anything in the way that the car drives besides the throttle response. It's going to make the throttle response more sensitive and the drive more enjoyable. This is going to be a great option for those of you that don't want to go the route of a custom tune. Either you don't want to avoid a warranty or you don't want the other things that come along with the tune, but you just want a better throttle response and that's it. This is very simple to use. It attaches to the factory pedal connector without any modifications. It has green LEDs on it to let you know about certain functions, and it does come with an optional remote throttle control mount to help fine-tune the throttle response. It has a 1-year warranty against material and workmanship defects for the original buyer, just for peace of mind. And because it is a plug-and-play install that's easy to set up and get going, I'm going to call it a 2 out of 3 wrenches in the difficulty meter. As always, if you guys are interested in the JMS PedalMAX, you can always check it out more online right here at AmericanMuscle.com.